Welcome to this tutorial. How to make a file read-only. If you've worked on an important document and you want to protect it from overwriting, then you must change the file attribute to read-only. The read-only file will give you an alert message whenever you will write something in this file. We can make a file read-only by attempting some easy steps. Let's see these steps. Open the File Explorer window. Go to the saved location of your file. Right-click on the file name that you want to make it read-only. From the drop-down list, click on the Properties at the bottom. In the General tab and under the Attributes section, select the checkbox of Read Only. Click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. This will make your file read-only. To cross-check your file, right-click on the file name and then click on the Properties. You will see that the check of Read Only is checked. This means you cannot overwrite this file. Let's close the opened windows and we'll see another method to make a read-only file by using the command prompt. Click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left. Type CMD in the search bar, and from the search result, click on the Command Prompt app. Type ATTRIB space +R space open quote and write the path of your file. Like in this demo video, my file is laying on the desktop. So I will write here, open quote, C:\\, users, capture, desktop, photos.pdf, close quote, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now I'm going to check the attributes of my file. So I will right-click on this photos.pdf file and then click on the Properties. See, we make this file as read-only by using the command prompt. Wasn't that easy? Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.